Hello, traders, and welcome to TradingWithBill.com. I'm Bill. We're going to talk a little bit about Forex. Traders coming to you from Thailand. Well, I got to tell you, hazy for the last 2 days. Sun's out, but not a pretty day. Weather is cool, though, which we take not for granted because most of the time, I'd say 90% of the year, it is hot in Thailand. But yeah, nice day today. Hey, like I said, hazy, but that's all right. Got a long day at the trading desk today. So markets are starting to move a little bit. I'm liking it. I'm liking to see some movement up or down. I don't care which way, but let's do some movement, and that's a good thing. So let's take a look at the indices. S&P futures positive 0.08%. Nasdaq futures positive 0.12%. And the Dow is up 1.25 with the small cap 2000 up 0.95%. What do we got here? S&P 500 VIX is positive 2.14, and the DAX is negative 0.47 as we speak. And the US dollar index is up positive 0.47 at 90.65, still in that same area. I think we were at 52 yesterday, right? So really hasn't done very much. Has not done very much at all. Let's take a look at commodities. So gold continues to stay where it is. It's up 0.08%. It's at $1,328.40 as I speak. And WTI crude is at 64.12. And my good old friend Brent dips below $70 a barrel at 69.46. What else do we have? U.S. coffee is up 2%. Okay, let's take a look at what's going on. So we did have some data come out of Australia, so we'll take a look at the Aussie dollar here in just a second. So we had unemployment change. It was a good number, 34.7. Unemployment rate is 5.5. Previously was 5.4. That's not a good thing. Moving along, industrial production out of Japan today. Late in Asia, very late in Asia. China's got fixed asset investment today. Also GDP quarter 4 and industrial production also year on year for China. The Euro's got German Bupa President Wiedemann speaks today. I'm sure I said that name wrong. That looks like about it as far as the Euro session goes. Let's jump on down to the US. Building permits comes out today. And housing starts, unissued jobless claims comes out today. Philadelphia Fed manufacturing comes out today. We didn't have our gas and oil numbers out yesterday because of the holiday on Monday. So we do have crude oil inventories today. And crushing crude oil inventories comes out today. You got like 3 other ECB people speaking today, so just be aware of that. The CAD has ADP non-farm employment change today. So that's what's happening there. That looks like about it, my friends. Full day on the calendar. Full day on the calendar. We welcome that. Get some movement in the markets. That's what we're looking for. A little bit of movement. Well, let's jump over to the charts. So I was playing around today, and I took a look at this New Zealand. And we talked about yesterday how this was in a range. Well, it's still in a range, and it did come up to this top here and sold off, which is great. So now what we want to see is this come back up to this 0.7330 level, and then we can sell it. Maybe the second time we take it to the downside, we can get to the 72.40, 72.20 area would really be a nice spot to take some profits here. So I'm just waiting for this to pull back up, right? Remember, we're not gonna sell at support. We buy at support, sell at resistance. And so I'm not doing anything here. Now, if it goes below support and comes back, retests it, well, now that's resistance, then we can sell it. But just having a candle close below the low here, left of the chart, does not tell me I want to sell this. So at the moment, just hang on, take a look, see what happens later in the day. Let's take a look at the Aussie dollar. Well, it had a spike here with this data that came out, but really nothing much here. Nothing much. This is a good fib trade right here, I have to say, right? This high, to the right, to the left, boom, there you go. Look at this, 618, Wow, this is really nice. This is a really nice trade setup right here. There we go. Right there to the 618. Let's get a pullback. It's already came up there, right? If you look at that last candle from that data coming out, you can see it actually spiked that price level. So now we just want it to come back up and we can take our trade. Left of the chart from this area is pretty ugly. I really don't want to do anything. Even if it breaks a low and retests, I'm really not into taking this trade in any direction other than a pullback. So this trade is all about the pullback. We want the pullback, okay? All right, let's take a look at the euro yen. I haven't looked at that in a while. Wow, you know, this chart is just really, really, really ugly. This is just not something. So I'm saying, you know what? You come up to this high here. All right, you come up to this high. I'll be more than happy to short you right there. So 136, probably 136.95. 136.95 will short this. Because if we get into, I'm sorry, 135.95. If we break the 136.00 level, the whole number, then we got to worry that this is just going to continue for higher, and we're just going to have to wait. Now, there's a possibility it'll overshoot and then come back down and give us our trade. But I want this to get up as far as it can, and then we can sell it. Currently, I'm not going to do nothing with this trade. As this is just a move here. This chart is ugly. It's all over the place. There's just nothing to do here. Probably if you went to an hourly chart, probably be a little bit more cleaner. But still, we're in the middle of this range. It's a nasty range. And I like to call it Forex junk left of the chart. Let's take a look at the beast. Great British Pound. Sorry, that is not what I wanted. This is the pound dollar, by the way. This is the same trade, right? We're just going to fib this right here, to the right, to the left. Actually, I would take it all the way down there for my level. And we're just going to look for this pullback. You see, this is clear, right? There's nothing left of the chart here. Absolutely nothing. So I'm all right with that. I think we got two entries. If we can get to the 786 would be a great one. And if we can get to the 618, either one of those trades to me just seems like a really nice trade on the pound dollar. And we'll just, you know, take it to the downside. My concern is, especially with this pound, that it's not going to give us the pullback at all. This is just going to continue to the downside. So I'm going to sit it out. I'm not going to buy into support, folks. This is, you know, you look left of the chart. This is major support here. There's not even a break where we have some open space. There's no wide open spaces on this chart except until we get up to this resistance area. At the 786 or the 618, we could take this trade to the downside. Other than that, we're just going to leave it alone. Leave it alone. Don't do anything. Okay? All right, now we'll get to the beast. Sorry about that. So let's go to Great British Pound, JPY. This isn't bad. You know, I've been bearish in this pair for quite some time. You know, the question is where you're going to get in here. Yeah, I hate to say we have two entries because, you know, that doesn't help anybody, right? But we have two entries, right? I'd rather see this pull back up to here, and that's at 154.20. Then if you get to the 154 area, you're at 20 pips. You can get to break even, and you're pretty safe. If you get stopped out, you didn't lose anything, right? Or just wait for this to where it's at, and maybe we can take it with a close below, like at, let's say, the 65 area, maybe even the 68 area, right? We want to get see these two little pins right here on these two candles. We want to get below that. We want to close below that, and then I'll put a line on the chart. It's easy to see. But these, yeah, we want to be below that line and then sell it. You know, if we get a retest, that's fine. If it gives us a retest and overshoots, that's fine. We're not going to be in the trade. We're not going to do anything until we get a candle close below that line. Or that's an entry line, really. It's not. It's somewhat kind of support, maybe. But look left of the chart. There's nothing left of the chart. If this thing decides to take it to the downside, we have a beautiful trade here. Absolutely, absolutely gorgeous trade. All right, come on, pound yen. We call it the beast. All right, let's take a look at the dollar index as we do. Look at this nice move to the upside. 90, what is that? 90.88? 90.88? What, 90.88? Keep on going. Let's see some dollar move. That would be wonderful. Traders, good to be with you. There's possibly a video tomorrow. I'm not sure. And I'm pretty sure Monday it's a U.S. holiday. If it is a U.S. holiday, there will be no video on Monday. I will leave a message on my website. But as of right now, I'm pretty sure tomorrow there will be a video. Traders, again, thank you for being with me. TradingWithBill.com. Come visit me. Traders, always remember to trade smart and not hard. We'll catch you tomorrow, my friends. Take care. Bye-bye.